Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to Eat with Tammy. Today we're having a Subway mukbang, guys. So, I have my Subway cookie here. This is the wrapper. Alright, so today, again, I said we're having Subway. This is sorry guys. This is the sweet onion teriyaki chicken. I have my oatmeal raisin cookie. I love me some oatmeal. Love it. And Doritos, my favorite, nacho cheese. And I have my water, my lemon water. Lemon water. So what's up, guys? What you been doing? Let me show you this sandwich, guys. Sometimes I don't like certain Subways. They make their sandwich sloppy. So this one's not a good picture, but look at this, guys. So juicy. That is the sweet onion you see on there. I had a little bit of mayo also. Open it so you guys could see it. It's not even doing it justice, y'all. I tell y'all, don't do it justice. But I can't wait to dig in. Guys, you gotta try the sandwich. If you ever had never had this one, try it. It's the sweet onion chicken teriyaki sandwich. So good. I get it on honey oat bread, and it's toasted with American cheese. Love it. So good. Oh, and the cookie and Dorito and chips combination, guys, let me tell you, found this out years ago. Like, break a cookie and a Dorito, eat it together. The cheesiness of the cookie, of the Doritos, and the sweetness of the cookie, so good, guys. So good. Look, the sandwich is everything. Love it. Love it. So what you guys been up to? Anything new going on? So I told you guys that I have kids, right? So I have a son, he's 2, and I have a daughter, she is 7, going on 17. I just don't know. Maybe because I haven't had a Subway sandwich in so long. So good. So my daughter now, alright? She's a daddy's girl. So it's such a daddy's girl. I can't say she's spoiled, but she's definitely a daddy's girl. She would say anything to him and he'd be like, okay. I just have to give her that look. And she's like, gone. I don't play. I swear it's different. So different here. Growing up in Jamaica and being here, totally different. Totally different. It's just like those people that grew up down south. They know what I'm talking about. Kids here, totally different. So good, guys. So good. I don't have much going on. I want to do is, I want to ask a question. Like, would fish consider, like, I don't know how to word it. I know it's a seafood, but it wouldn't consider part of a seafood boil, right? Let me know. Because sometimes I'm thinking of doing a fish challenge. Like, have fish every day for a week, which is nothing for me. I love fish. I could eat fish anyway, anyhow. And one of those week things, that's why I want to do the fish head. So let me know. I think it's considered a seafood, but I know it's a seafood. I just don't think it's considered a seafood boil, because I think the boil is like all the shellfish. If not, I'll still do a fish thing for a few days. If not, I'll just post whatever, you know. I love fish though. My husband went fishing in May, last May, and I want him to go fishing again. I swear we had fish every day for a month. Love it. I couldn't get enough of it. Yeah, Doritos. So at my job, we the vacation book goes around every year, starting now, because you know people have weeks and weeks of vacation. I don't know what I want to do for vacation. We had a plan originally from last year. Me and my friends, my friends and I. It didn't work out. Well, so far it didn't look like it's going to plan out. So I have to think of something else. My girls and I try to do a girls trip every year. We go away for a weekend. Last year I didn't get to go because job situation, but this year I'm definitely going. No guys. I know this light's not doing the sandwich justice, but it's so good. Love it. Love it. Good. So yeah, that's so far. That's what I have to think about for vacation. And I got a cookie and the chips combination. So good. If you realize that Subway even sell a lunch special with a cookie and the chips attached to it. I think it's at $4.99 too. So good. But my sandwich is coming apart. They don't make good sandwich like they used to. I'm a protest. I need to have those sandwiches that they be advertising on the TV. You know they're fake, right? I think they say they're plastic. They make the food into plastic and then take a picture of it so it looks like the real thing. As far as advertising, people. No, it's just so good. So good. Look, take one bite. Get a little bit of everything. Sweet pepper, onion, tomato, the chicken, the sweet onion sauce. So good. Love it. I love oatmeal raisin cookie. I know a lot of people don't like raisins. I love it. I'm not big on chocolate. I eat chocolate, but I'm not big on it. Oatmeal raisin, I could eat a whole thing every day. Love it. God, so good. I have one last bite of everything. So good. Love it. So good. I used to love not Subway, Blimpies. I don't know if there's any Blimpies now. I don't know if there's any Blimpies now, but I used to love Blimpies before I got introduced to Subway. And then Subway took over. But then after Subway took over, I got introduced to Quiznos. Where I live right now, there's no Quiznos. So I have to get Subway. But Quiznos. Guys, it's all gone. That was my Subway lunch. Sweet onion teriyaki chicken with an oatmeal raisin cookie and some Doritos. So good, guys. Don't sleep on that sandwich. I think y'all should try it. So good. Alright, guys. Have a good day. Talk to you later. And with us in Jamaica, see you later. Bye.